Hello everyone, I am Dr. Donald Ozello of Championship Chiropractic in Las Vegas, Nevada. The seated lumbar spine stretch can be performed if you have very tight hamstrings, if you have balance issues, if there are problems with the hips or the knees, or you are just beginning an exercise or stretching program. Performing lumbar spine stretches in a seated position is a safe way to stretch the lumbar spine. The lumbar spine is the medical name for the low back. Now I'm going to turn to the side so you can see better. You want to be seated securely on a chair or bench that does not have wheels. We don't want to take a chance on having the chair slide out from underneath you. You're going to have your feet firmly on the floor. Your knees are bent to 90 degrees. Your hips are bent to 90 degrees and you're in good posture. You want to hinge forward at the hips and move slowly into a mild, comfortable stretch. You could place your hands on your knees like I'm doing, or you can let your arms hang down. Once you feel a mild, comfortable stretch, hold that stretch anywhere from 5 to 120 seconds. As you can see, because my knees and hips are flexed, the hamstring is not being stretched in this position. Therefore, the entire stretch is being felt in the low back. Many times when the hamstrings are tight, that is the limiting factor for us when we are trying to stretch the low back in a standing or in a position where we are seated on the floor with the legs straight. When you are in this position, the entire stretch is being performed on the lumbar spine. Then once you have completed the desired time frame, move out of the stretch slowly and return to the starting position. Again, you are seated in good posture. The feet are firmly on the floor. The knees are bent to 90 degrees. The hips are flexed to 90 degrees. And you are going to slowly hinge forward at the hips. Try to keep the neck in line with the spine and move forward till you feel a mild, comfortable stretch in the lumbar spine. Again, the lumbar spine is the medical name for the neck. Move into the stretch slowly and hold a mild, comfortable stretch anywhere between 5 and 120 seconds. When performing a stretch, move into the stretch slowly, hold a mild, comfortable stretch, and then move out of the stretch slowly. Never perform any type of stretch that elicits or intensifies symptoms. If a stretch elicits or intensifies symptoms, please stop immediately and find a viable substitute. And I'm going to move out of the stretch slowly. The seated lumbar spine stretch is an excellent tool to have in your arsenal to help to stretch the muscles in the low back. Thank you for watching today's spine health video. Please see a medical professional to make sure you are healthy enough for exercise. You can work with a medical professional, a fitness professional, or a rehabilitation specialist to learn proper technique. Viewing this video does not take the place of seeing a medical professional, working with a fitness professional, or working with a rehabilitation specialist. Never perform an exercise that elicits or intensifies symptoms. If an exercise elicits or intensifies symptoms, please stop immediately and find a viable substitute. When performing any exercise, always work through a symptom-free range of motion. Thank you again for watching today's video. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I am Dr. Donald Ozello of Championship Chiropractic in Las Vegas, Nevada. I am the author of Running, Maximize Performance and Minimize Injuries. You can go to my website, championshipchiropractic.com, where you can see additional information on the book, and you can also visit my blog. My blog contains articles on spine health, sports medicine, health, fitness, exercise, and nutrition, and chiropractic. Thank you again for watching today's video.